Jason's wiring, another supercharger loom. That one's off to Brian, Luna, Outlaw Garage in America.
Outlaw Rider.
This is another one. This one's going to Australia. And we're just discussing the earths to the Haltech. So in the A plug, pin 10 and 11. That's the only earths going into the actual ECU. But then we've got the CAN wires. So we're going to put a CAN plug. These are my CAN wires here. No, they're not. There's some CAN wires in here somewhere. These ones, I've braided them. So that's my CAN with power and earth. But then there's the CAN in there and no power. So I run a second power and earth. So if you're running into that, you can tap into there if they want to. The shields go back to the sensor grounds, which are in the B plug, 14, 15, 16. So I put them into 15, but they're all joined. I actually got them the other day and I multimetered across them, they're all joined. And then I did my sensor earths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 for the relays, 5 earths. And in the actual wiring loom, I did them to separate points. So pin 10 is on that one and pin 11 is on that one. But if it comes loose anyway, I might just earth through the ECU anyway. So if one of them comes loose, it should earth the relays through the other one anyway. Not ideal, but it means that if anything happens back there to one of them, you've still got a good earth. Simple? Simple? You're hammering. And then if you run out on that one, if we run out of plugs because we're under pressure, old yellow's under pressure, then you can use this one for Bud the dog and put a shake and put a Gen 1 manifold on it. We really need to swap this around correctly. This is on backwards.